with another video. This time it's just really a hair maintenance video. So I took my braids out on Saturday and I haven't washed my hair. I did a quick like twist out today somewhat, and I used, my hair was well moisturized. I just did water, and this thing has me in a chokehold. I love this Mousse Def mousse whatever thing. I just went to TJ Maxx and got some more because I get them at TJ Maxx for $11.99. So I got myself 2 more because this one is basically done. Yeah, it's done. So I got 2 more. So what I'm gonna do today is wash my hair. So I was looking for to try different shampoo, and I had been using the what am I using? What was I using before? The they're all right. You know what? I wasn't really. I don't know. I'm not sold from all the commercials, whatever. So I'm like, you know what? Let's try something else. And I did subscribe. I should say that. So I do still get the oil for my edges and the deep conditioner. I probably am gonna end up canceling that. So this is my hair. It is really dirty. It's been 2 weeks since I washed it. So this was a dirty wash and go for me to go to work today. So I went to TJ Maxx and I was trying to find products. So I found this, I think it's called Briogeo. And from what I learned from my quick research, I guess it's a black owned company. I'd never heard of them. I don't know where I've been. I'd never heard of them. But there were a few reviews on YouTube that I found. I got this. So it's the 3 things. The shampoo. It's the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisturized Shampoo. And then the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisturized Conditioner. And it also came with a deep conditioning mask. I'm not using this tonight because it's too late, but I'll use it the next time I wash my hair. So I'm just going to use these 2. The reviews were mixed, so I'm going to try and I'll let you guys know how if my hair likes it. This packet that I got, because like, apparently they're usually pricey, but at TJ Maxx I got it for $29.99. I guess normally it's $50 for this. So $29.99. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx. So I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair then because I'm not taking you guys with me. When I put the conditioner, I guess you're supposed to leave it on for 2 minutes or so. I'll come back and tell you guys how my hair feels, okay? This white stuff that you see all over my hair is the conditioner. Not deep conditioner, just regular conditioner. So the shampoo, it has great lather. So it's so fancy. This is what it looks like. And then it still has this cap, which is really cool. It cleansed my hair so well. I shampooed twice because I had washed my hair 2 weeks ago, so it wasn't that bad. I shampooed twice and my hair felt so clean and so soft. So I really like that. And this has no harsh sulfates, no silicones, you know what I mean, and no parabens. So, and it's supposed to be super hydrating shampoo. I can't read these things, but I like this shampoo. If you're someone who does not care for like super perfumey, smelly shampoos or hair products, then you would like this because it's not a very like strong smell. It's very light, but it doesn't smell. It smells good. It's a light, like I don't know how to describe it, but it's a really light scent, but it's a good one. And then this is the conditioner. I am not shy when it comes to using conditioner, so I put a lot in my hair. And so this is what you're seeing right now. I think I'm supposed to leave it on for a few minutes or so. So I'm gonna let it sit for maybe 3 minutes and then we'll rinse it out. The hair, okay? Now I have not detangled and I'm debating if I should just detangle now. So let's see. I should separate them because that's what you should do. separate the hair to detangle. So you can see it's actually separating pretty easily. So I'm not really forcing it. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, it's not a struggle. You can see. Okay, not too bad. Let's see this section. Do the ends first. Okay, not too bad. Okay, let's try to do the back here. Okay. Actually smells really good. I like the smell. It's very light, but it's good. Oh. And I dropped the comb. I'm not doing a very good job. So I've detangled my whole entire head. I don't like, but it's not bad. I'm just being dramatic. And this is all the hair that came out on the comb. So, not bad. Not bad at all, guys. Okay. See? With the with the conditioner. It feels so soft. So it's because I kept combing it out too. That this is the amount of shedding that I have. Okay. This is what my hair looks like. It's nice and washed. You can tell it's clean. See my scalp. It's pretty clean and it feels really soft. Feels really soft. So I am not going to blow dry. I'm gonna use my Mousse Def. I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner and then use my Mousse Def to twist it down. Oh, this is the amount of shedding that I had from rinsing it out. I'm gonna use Mousse Def to twist it, to do some flat twists, and then I'll try to do a twist up tomorrow morning. So then I will share with you guys what it looks like when it's all twisted out. So right now I'm just gonna do refresher, because I don't have any leave-in conditioner. So this is the closest I have to it. It's really liquidy. My hair is nice and bouncy. I like that. I don't want to put too much product in my hair. What I really love about this is how shiny my hair looks. I love that. Okay, so we're gonna do some flat twists. I'm gonna do some like 4 big ones back here. I guess I'll separate this into 2. Interesting. My hair. So your girl's hair was not dry, so the flat twist is not defined. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna pivot. My hair feels so soft because even after putting the mousse, it still feels soft. But I'm just gonna add more mousse to define curls this morning to try to do an afro because our flat twist didn't work because my hair wasn't fully dried. I tried. It's okay. But the hair is so soft. So this shampoo, I think, definitely has moisture. Because you saw I did not put any grease in my hair last night. Just the leave-in curl conditioner. And then I put some oil on my scalp, but that was it. No direct like oil on the hair besides what you saw me rubbing on my hands when I first started under this thing. And I was like, okay, it's not dry, but you can see how shiny my hair looks though. And then I'm just adding more of the mousse to define the curls for my fro today, because it was not a successful twist out, but that's okay. So this was not my vision. All right, so we're gonna blow dry, or at least try to dry it. So this is the result. Okay, let's put some makeup on. This is precisely why I wear protective style, because I've been up since 6. It is now 7:46. I mean, obviously I showered, but I've been like dealing with my hair for 45 minutes. Protective style, I would have been out the door already. I'm gonna do my makeup now. Okay, this is the final results, guys. So to summarize, I love protective styles. That's number one. Number two, I love the mousse def from the Dew because that's the only product I use to get my coils to be this defined. And it stays up and it's like a nice little fro. So definition, and then my hair doesn't feel too hard. Perfect. All right. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.